Hello Year 1. So this morning we are going to be practicing our counting, and this week we're going to be looking at numbers all the way to 20. So we're going to be doing lots of work with numbers to 20 this week. We're going to be counting forwards, backwards, counting different amounts of objects, looking at the number words to 20. We're going to be finding one more, one less. So we're going to do lots of work with numbers to 20 this week. Okay? So first of all, we're going to practice counting forwards today. So you should have your number line in your home learning pack as well to help you with all of your learning this week. So first of all, pause the screen and I want you to practice starting at 1 and counting all the way to 20. Off you go. Okay, so we practice counting forwards. What I want you to do now is I've got some little challenges for you counting forwards. So let's have a look. 5, 6, 7, what comes next? Well done if you said 8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, what comes next? Well done if you said 11. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16. What's next? Well done if you said 17. Okay, let's try the next one. 15, 16, 17. Well done if you said 18. Okay, so now we're going to have a little practice counting backwards. So that's when our numbers get smaller. So this time you'll need to start at 20 and count all the way down to 0. So you can pause the screen, use the number line to help you. So start at 20 and count back to 0. Off you go. Okay, so now we're going to have some challenges for counting backwards. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Well done if you said 1. So this time notice the numbers are getting smaller because we're counting backwards. So let's try another one. 10, 9, 8. Well done if you said 7. Let's try another one. 13, 12, 11. Use your number line to help you. Well done if you said 10. Okay, let's try this one. 20, 19, 18, 17. Well done if you said 16. Okay, so your task for today is to practice counting amounts up to 20. So I'm going to show you some pictures on the screen. Your job is to count them and then write down the number to show how many is there. So here's an example. I'll put a picture of some pneumicon on the screen and then next to it I've got the number, which is 17. Okay, so I'm going to show you now lots of different pictures. You can pause the screen, count how many, and all I need you to do is write down the number that shows how many is on the screen. So let's have a look. Okay, so pause the screen, count how many, and write down the number. Okay, let's look at the next one. So again, pause the screen. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, well done. So you should have written numbers now to match all of those different pictures that I've shown you. So you can go away now and you can keep practicing counting forwards and counting backwards on your number line. You might want to have a go at drawing some pictures to match some different numbers that you've found on your number line. Okay, and then you can send some photographs to your teachers to show us what you've been doing. Okay, bye everybody.